Okay, so let's see it from over here. Okay, so this is going to be point A dash, B dash, D dash, okay, and this is going to be C dash. Let's join all of them, okay, with the dark line. So all of this red color is something that you have got to use H pencil, and wherever I'm using this thin line, okay, thin black lines, you've got to use a 4H pencil. That's all, nothing else. Now the larger diagonal, this is the larger diagonal, A dash, C dash, inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the HP. So indirectly you can say that the surface is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the HP. And in step number 2, whenever you're dealing with problems based on projection of planes, always go for surface inclination in step 2. Alright, so based on this logic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this line, recreate this line from step number 1 into step number 2, making sure that this line makes an angle of 30 degrees with this XY line. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. Let me randomly make this point. This is going to be A dash. Okay, and I'm going to keep a protractor over here and take an angle of 30 degree anti-clockwise with reference to this XY line. Okay, so in the next step, what I'm going to be doing is I'll keep both legs of my compass, one at A dash, other at B dash comma D dash, and I'll take this guy as the center and I'll put an arc over here. Okay, and this point corresponds to B dash comma D dash. Similarly, again I'll do the same stuff. I'll keep one leg over here, other leg over here, and with this guy as the center, okay, I'll put an arc once again so that I can have point C dash. Now we'll take a look at this from the top, okay, orthogonally, orthographically, and we're gonna get this top view. Okay, let's bring all the projector lines. These are what you call the intersection points. Okay, so if you watch carefully, this horizontal line is meant for A and C. This is going to be the vertical of A dash, so this is going to be A. This is the vertical of C dash, so this is going to be C. Okay, similarly you can work out the remaining points, and this is exactly what you get, a squeezed up rhombus. Okay guys, now watch carefully. This diagonal BD right now is at an angle of 90 degree with the XY line, which means that the diagonal is making an angle of 90 degree with the vertical plane. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that this diagonal becomes parallel to the vertical plane, and in order to do that, right now I'm going to be recreating this entire object, but this BD is going to be horizontal and it's going to be looking something like this. Please watch. So this is going to be diagonal BD, okay, parallel to XY line, which ensures that it is right now parallel to the VP, and I'll take a center, okay, this center I'm talking about, and this horizontal line will become over here vertical, something like this, and this is going to be A, this is going to be C. All right, that's the rhombus I'm talking about. Okay, now we're going to be looking at this object from the front, and this is exactly what we're going to get. Okay, these are all